Hello everyone, we've got another quiz today, but it's a quiz that is a bit different because I haven't made up the questions this time. You have made up the questions. So all these questions have been sent by children. So you could try and answer them. Maybe you could get your parents to try and answer them. I'm going to get the teachers to try and answer them to see if they can beat the Year 1 children. So let's have a go. Question number 1. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Let's look at the options. Is it A, Earth, B, Mars, C, Mercury, or D, Venus? Write down your answers, A, B, C, or D. The answer was C, Mercury. Well done if you got that right. Okay, question 2. Rubén asked this question. Now, Rubén, I didn't know the answer. Rubén said, what is a rock that crashes into a planet called? Let's have a look. Is it A, a comet, B, a star, C, a meteorite, or D, an asteroid? A, B, C, or D? Let's see. Oh, there they are. About to crash. Is D, a meteorite? And Rubén said that there is a difference between an asteroid and a meteoroid, as an asteroid is a large rock that orbits the sun, and a meteoroid is a smaller rock that orbits the sun that become meteorites when they crash through the atmosphere and lands onto Earth. Oh my goodness, Rubén. Right, question number 3. Molly asks, what would you have to travel through to reach the diamonds in the centre of Uranus? There are lots of diamonds in the middle, but what would you have to travel through? Would you have to travel through A, tomato soup, B, the boiling sea, C, a waterfall of stars, or D, freezing water? A, B, C, or D? The answer was, oh, there's the diamond, and we've had to get through the boiling sea. Yeah, there are millions of diamonds in the centre. I don't think any of us will ever be able to get them because A, Uranus is so far away, and B, there's a boiling sea surrounding them. Okay, Frankie! Frankie asks, what does it rain on Venus? Meaning we can't land there. Let's have a look at the options. Is it A, acid, B, rocks, C, meatballs, or D, hot water? A, B, C, or D? It rains acid. Well done. Yes, it rains deadly acid. Question 5. Nathan asks, what colour are the hottest stars? Is it A, red, B, blue, C, yellow, or D, orange? And the answer was B, blue. Yes, blue are the hottest stars. Well done. Question 6. Freddie F. He asked me to call him Freddie F. Freddie F asked, where is the tallest mountain in the solar system? Is it A, on Mars, B, on Jupiter, C, on Earth, or D, on Neptune? Where do you think it might be? It was. Okay, there it is, and it is on Mars. And Eloin adds, did you know that it's taller than Mount Everest? That's Earth's highest mountain, isn't it? And then following on from that question, Elliot asks, what is the tallest mountain on Mars's name? Sorry, I didn't take that right. What is the tallest mountain on Mars's name? What is its name? Is it A, Mount Martian, B, Ganymede, C, Titan, or D, Olympus Mons? Is it A, Mount Martian, B, Ganymede, C, Titan, or D, Olympus Mons? The answer was D, Olympus Mons. Well done. Question 8, and Eddie asked this one. Eddie says, what is the order of the planets? This is a long one. You might need to pause them to write them all down. What is the order of the planets? Okay, let's see what the answer is. Did you get the first one? The first one was Mercury. Then next is Venus. Then it is Earth. Then we have Mars. Next is the big one. It's Jupiter. Then it is Saturn. Then we've got Uranus. And last we have Neptune. Well done. Okay, next Chester asks, what is the hottest planet? And he's given us a clue. That's very kind, Chester. The clue is it has lava on it. Okay, is the hottest planet Mercury, Mars, Venus, or Earth? A, B, C, or D? And the hottest planet was, there it is, it does look very hot. It's Venus. Well done if you said Venus. Question 10. This is from Aloin. Aloin asks, what is another name for the sun, which is our nearest star? She's given us some options. Is it Alpha? Is it Sol? Is it Jeff? Or is it Betelgeuse? I'm not sure how you say that, Aloin. Which one do you think it is? I hope it's Jeff. Let's see. It's Sol. And she also adds, did you know that there is more than one sun in our galaxy? And she knows the name of two of the biggest, Sol, our sun, and Regal. Well done, Aloin, for finding out some extra facts. So question 11, and two people asked this question. Josh and Isaac both ask, what planet could float on water? I think we're going to need a pretty big bowl to test this. Let's see what our options are. Look, is it A, Uranus, B, Saturn, C, Neptune, or D, Earth? Which one do you think would be able to float on water? Oh, it says, good thing I can float because I can't swim. It's Saturn. Well done if you said Saturn. Question 12. Jude asked this question. Jude says, how many moons does Jupiter have? Okay, we've got some ranges you can choose between. So we've got A, does it have 1 to 20? B, does it have between 20 to 40 moons? C, 40 to 60 moons? Or D, more than 60 moons? How many moons do you think Jupiter has? Oh, look, they are some of the moons going round Jupiter. And Jude also sent in a beautiful picture of Jupiter with some of its moons. That's amazing, Jude. And the answer was D, more than 60. Scientists think there could be 79. The biggest is called Ganymede, and it is bigger than Mercury. So it just goes to show how big Jupiter is. Question 13 is from Arabella, and Arabella asks, what are Saturn's rings made from? Is it A, glitter, B, stars, C, chunks of ice and rock, or D, lava? I am really hoping for glitter on this one. Let's see. Oh, you can kind of see in that what they're made of. It's C, chunks of ice and rock. You can see under the microscope the chunks of ice and rock there going round Saturn. Question 14. Now, Sophia and Louis both asked the same question. They wanted to know, why does Uranus spin on its side? It's the only planet that spins on its side. But why? A, the rings got heavy and it tilted it. B, an astronaut landed their spaceship there on one side and it made it tilt. C, the wind blew it on its side in a space storm. Or D, something hit it billions of years ago. It's tricky. It was D, it was hit. And now it's the only planet spinning on its side. Well done. Okay, so this is a bonus question from me. And I think some of you have already answered this. The bonus question is, what planet is the Earth known as? It's got a nickname. What planet is the Earth known as? Is it known as Goldilocks, Cinderella, Ariel, or Aurora? Which planet is Earth known as? Oh, there's a bit of a clue. It's known as the Goldilocks planet because it's not too hot, it's not too cold, it's not too close to the sun, it's not too far, it's just right. Well done, everyone, and thank you for taking part in the quiz. I hope you beat your grown-ups, and I'll see you again soon. Bye! Thanks for playing.